How often does El Niño occur? When you purchase through links on our site, we may earn an affiliate commission. The Sentinel-6 Michael Freilich satellite recorded Kelvin waves moving eastward across the Pacific, a phenomenon often considered a precursor to El Niño. NASA has identified early signs of El Niño from space, after one of its satellites spotted warm water in the Pacific Ocean moving eastward toward the west coast of South America in March and April. Data from the Sentinel-6 Michael Freilich, opens in new tab, satellite, which monitors sea levels, showed Kelvin waves, opens in new tab, moving across the Pacific. These long ocean waves are just 2 to 4 inches, 5 to 10 centimeters, high but are hundreds of miles wide. They are considered to be a precursor to El Niño when they form at the equator and move the warm upper layer of water to the western Pacific. Some text goes here. We'll be watching this El Niño like a hawk. Josh Willis, opens in new tab. A project scientist on Sentinel-6 Michael Freilich at NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory, JPL, said in a statement, opens in new tab. If it's a big one, the globe will see record warming. El Niño is a part of the El Niño Southern Oscillation, ENSO, climate cycle. Normally, prevailing easterly winds along the equator, known as trade winds, blow surface water west across the Pacific, moving warm water from South America towards Asia. As the warm water moves, cold water rises up to replace it. Related, mysterious, ultra-low frequency noises detected in Earth's atmosphere, and scientists can't explain them. El Niño is linked to weakened trade winds, causing the warm water to be pushed east. This causes a significant impact on weather patterns around the world. It means wetter weather in the southern parts and hotter weather in northwestern areas. Its counterpart, La Niña, has the opposite effect, with strong trade winds pushing more warm water west. El Niño normally hits once every 3 to 5 years, but it can occur more or less frequently. The last El Niño was in 2019 and lasted for 6 months, between February and August. On May 11, National Atmospheric and Oceanic Administration, NOAA, representatives said there was a 90% chance El Niño would hit this year and persist into the Northern Hemisphere's winter. According to NOAA's predictions, there is an 80% chance it will be at least a moderate El Niño, where ocean surface temperatures rise by 1.8 degrees Fahrenheit, 1 degree Celsius. There is a 55% chance of a strong El Niño, with temperatures rising by 2. A statement from JPL, opens in new tab, released May 12, said images taken by the Sentinel-6 satellite between the start of March and the end of April show Kelvin waves moving warm water east, pooling it off the coasts of Colombia, Ecuador and Peru. The red and white parts of the animation represent warmer water and higher sea levels. Some text goes here. Ocean waves slosh heat around the planet, bringing heat and moisture to our coasts and changing our weather. Nadia Vinogradova Schiffer, opens in new tab, NASA program scientist and manager for Sentinel-6 Michael Freilich, said in the statement. The NOAA and NASA will continue to monitor conditions in the Pacific over the coming months to determine if and when El Niño will hit and how strong it could be. We could be looking at another wet winter, right on the heels of the soaking we got last winter, Willis said. Mysterious sea swirls off Poland's coast have a surprising explanation. Scientists discover secret symmetries that protect Earth from the chaos of space. Energy of 25 billion atomic bombs trapped on Earth in just 50 years, all because of global warming. In April, scientists recorded the highest ever ocean surface temperatures, with the global average reaching 69. This record reflects the impact of climate change and the last La Niña coming to an end. Now La Niña is over and the tropical Pacific, which is a huge expanse of ocean, is warming up. Willis told Nature, opens in new tab, the combination of El Niño and supercharged ocean temperatures could mean a string of record highs in the next 12 months. This coming year is going to be a wild ride if the El Niño really takes off. Stay up to date on the latest science news by signing up for our Essentials newsletter. Hannah Osborne is the Planet Earth and Animals editor at Live Science. Prior to Live Science, she worked for several years at Newsweek as the science editor. Before this she was science editor at International Business Times U. Hannah holds a master's in journalism from Goldsmiths, University of London. Super salty water leaking from the Indian Ocean may have helped end the last ice age. Significant El Niño event is almost guaranteed this year, experts warn. And it could be a big one. Best Star Projectors 2023, bring the cosmos indoors.